Hello my friends, welcome to this very quick video. I'm Jeanette with Veeble Vintage Designs. So last week was my first week back from vacation. I was in Lake George for a few days and I had a very nice time. It was very relaxing. But coming back to work is always so stressful because there are 50 million emails to respond to, 1,000 fires to put out, and you have to catch up on everything that you weren't able to do during that week of vacation. So I found myself very stressed out, especially yesterday, the last day. Today is Saturday, and yesterday I was so stressed out. So I found myself doodling during my mental health breaks and my lunch break. And this is what I did, and I found it very stress relieving. And I thought I would share it with you because I know that days, if you're a parent and you have small children and you're carting them around and you're trying to make dinner and do the laundry and you're trying to paint and you're trying to fit everything in a 24-hour period, it becomes really stressful. So I thought I would share this with you in case it helps you the way it helped me. This is what I found myself doing. And stick around till the end of the video. I'll post a picture of the one that I did yesterday throughout my day. But I liked it so much that I thought, this would be really nice to do on photo paper with alcohol ink. So in the beginning of the video, you saw one that was very saturated with color. I tried ink out of the bottle and I thought it was too dark. So then I brought out my alcohol ink markers and kept it really simple. Again, this is supposed to be stress-free. You don't even have to use any alcohol ink or alcohol ink markers. You can just do this like I did on a piece of copier paper. So for this video, I used my alcohol ink markers and I just drew a couple of circles. Then I sprayed it with some alcohol with my mini mister just to give it a little bit of texture and to blend those colors a little bit. And then I took 2-micron pens. The first one was a size 8, which is a larger nib, and the one that you see me using now is a size 2. And it has a smaller nib. And I just created these squiggly lines on my paper, and then with the smaller marker I began drawing in these curved lines. And I have to tell you that I found it so helpful in releasing the stress that I was feeling, because I just got caught up in creating the lines and I really was fixated on just creating the lines, and I forgot what was stressing me out. It was out of my mind. And by the time I was finished with a section, because while I was working and I was taking my mental health breaks, I was only finishing up one section at a time. And it turned out really nice and it really helped me to de-stress. So I thought again that I would share it with you in case maybe you may find this helpful too. So I did speed this up. It took a while, but you can see here I'm just finishing it up, and I love the way this looks. Not only is it pretty, but it helped to relieve the stress I was feeling. Once I was finished, I took a Posca pen with a thick nib and I created a border around it. So I can use this for a card. I hope this helps you as it did me. Check the description box for links to the products used, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.